Hello everyone. Let's talk about breathing new life into your HP workstations. Specifically, the Z620, Z800, and Z820 models. If you're finding these powerhouses are starting to show their age, especially when tackling memory-intensive tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or running virtual machines, then upgrading the RAM is often the single best thing you can do. Today, we're looking at the ATEC 128GB kit, which is designed specifically for these HP workstations. This kit consists of 8 16GB DDR3 ECC registered DIMMs, running at 1600 MHz. Now, ECC registered memory might sound like jargon, but it's crucial for these workstations. ECC, or error correcting code, memory detects and corrects memory errors on the fly, which is vital for maintaining data integrity and system stability, especially in demanding professional environments. The registered aspect means these modules have a register that sits between the memory controller and the memory chips, improving stability when you're populating all the memory slots, like you will be with this 128GB kit. The fact that it's DDR3 1600 MHz PC3L 12800 memory is also important. It ensures compatibility with the Z620, Z800, and Z820 systems. Plus, the L in PC3L signifies low voltage, meaning these modules operate at 1.35V. This can lead to slightly lower power consumption and potentially cooler operation compared to standard 1.5V DDR3 memory. Installation is generally straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process you can do at home. Of course, always refer to your system's manual for the correct memory seating configuration and channel guidelines. Make sure you power down and unplug your workstation before you start fiddling around inside. The benefit of upgrading to 128GB of RAM is significant. It allows your system to handle much larger datasets, run more applications simultaneously, and generally experience a smoother and more responsive workflow. If you're constantly hitting the limits of your current memory, this upgrade will be a game changer. ATEC backs these modules with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. They also have a tech support team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. This level of support is always a welcome addition, especially when dealing with server-grade memory. In conclusion, if you're looking to maximize the performance and extend the lifespan of your HP Z620, Z800, or Z820 workstation, the ATEC 128GB DDR3 ECC register memory kit is definitely worth considering. It's a reliable, compatible, and high-capacity upgrade that can significantly improve your system's capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.